Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. My name is Esosa. For those of you that subscribe to my channel, you guys are the real MVPs. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you. So today I'm going to show you how I made this green smoothie right here. These are all the ingredients for this recipe. So I've got spinach, I've got some cucumber, some milk, almond milk, some vanilla ice cream, and ripe bananas. Bananas help to keep you feeling fuller for longer, like you don't go hungry easily. Cucumbers are low in calories, fat, and carbs. Cucumber are excellent source of vitamin K, vitamin B5, which is responsible for making and breaking down fats. So if you want to control your weight, this smoothie right here is the perfect recipe for you. Spinach helps to control blood pressure. It has anti-cancer properties, aids in weight loss, and contains vitamin K. Just so you know, adults can take it, kids can also have this drink. It's for everyone, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye.